When you're planning a major home renovation, the choices you make now can shape your home style for decades. Trends come and go, but timeless design ensures your home looks just as beautiful 20 years from now, and it keeps its value intact. Let's explore a few classic renovation ideas that never go out of style. First up, hardwood floors. Hardwood is a classic for good reason. It pairs effortlessly with any style, from modern to traditional, and it lasts for decades. The best part? Real hardwood can be sanded and refinished to look brand new. It's clean, durable, and an investment that stands the test of time. Next, area rugs. Rugs are the perfect way to add warmth and character to a room without commitment. They define spaces, bring in color and texture, and can be switched out as often as you like. Plus, they're cozy in those colder months. White cabinets, anyone? Whether in the kitchen or bathroom, white cabinets are a timeless choice. They match virtually everything: countertops, wall colors, you name it. If you're not replacing cabinets, a coat of white paint and updated hardware can completely transform your space without breaking the bank. Speaking of lasting appeal, stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel is neutral, sleek, and universally recognized as a luxury upgrade. It pairs beautifully with any design style, making it a no-brainer for longevity. Marble is another design winner. From countertops and backsplashes to shower walls and fireplace surrounds, marble adds elegance and sophistication. Its versatility means you can use it as an accent or let it be the star of the room. Now let's talk about neutral walls. Light neutrals like off-white, beige, or soft gray provide a clean backdrop that adapts to your evolving style. Personalize with artwork and mirrors, which are easy to switch up when you're ready for a change. And of course, fireplaces. Fireplaces are a forever feature. They create warmth, act as a focal point of any room, and add value to your home. Even outdated fireplaces can be modernized with simple updates like fresh paint or new trim. Finally, design with the future in mind. Adding features like curbless showers, grab bars, or walk-in tubs during a renovation not only makes your home more accessible as you age, but also increases its resale value. These features are practical, stylish, and always a smart choice. Remember, the key to timeless design is blending function with style while keeping an eye on longevity. Whether you're updating one room or tackling a whole house renovation, these ideas will ensure your home remains beautiful, comfortable, and valuable for years to come. Happy renovating!